Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Chuck from the YouTube channel Chuck Does. I'm sure y'all have noticed I haven't been posting for a while, but that's because I've had some computer issues where I can't edit videos. It doesn't mean I've stopped taking videos. I've just haven't been able to edit them. But now I believe I've got the computer up to where I can get back to editing videos. So I'm going to use this opportunity as my interlude into all the videos, and I'm going to make it one massive video of all of what Chuck has been doing over the past, about 6 weeks or so. So sit back, enjoy, and let's get into the videos. Hey, so in this first video, I was magnet fishing at a local dam close to where I live at. I had a near scare with the magnet that you'll see in the video. And towards the end of the video, I moved over to a different place over near some docks. Had a pretty cool find. You gotta stay tuned and watch to find out what I found. What's up, y'all? Hey, it's Chuck from the YouTube channel Chuck Does. Hey, we're gonna be out here magnet fishing today. We're out at a dam here local to where I'm at. There's a lot of people out here reel fishing, so I'm gonna try and not disturb them. But yeah, this dam out here is where I'm gonna be magnet fishing at. Let's find a spot where we can set up at and get the magnets in the water. All right, so we're walking down the spot right here. Today I'm using my Brute Magnetic 1700 pound double pole magnet. I've got my 100-foot double carabiner rope. I also have a 65-foot rope, but I'm not going to use that today. And a grappling hook in case I grab onto something that I need to grapple. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go out here on this little bridge right here. It's not even a real bridge, it's like a half a bridge. I don't know what it is. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna be at right here today. So let me go ahead and get everything set up and we'll get the magnet in the water. All right, so the number one rule of magnet fishing is always tie off your rope. This magnet is far too expensive for me to just go and throw into a lake without any assurance. So that's why I like this double carabiner rope. I can just clip on like this. You just clip it on, screw it in, and that's not coming off. That's better than any knot I could tie, I'll tell you what. All right, let's get this magnet in the water and see what we can pull up. Man, I got a knot in the rope, pretty big as you can see right here. Oh well. I don't think I hit the bottom on that one because of this knot. All right, she's starting to come undone. Still got this beast of a knot though. All right, I think I got her. I would be an idiot. I did put the magnet right down there on the side of the bridge to just hold it, and that motherfucker on there good. All right, so I just went back up to the car and I pulled out the handle for my jack. You can see if I can get that on the hook of the magnet and use some leverage to pop it off the bridge. I don't know, man. Well, that almost worked. All right. let's try this again. Nope. All right, so good news, I got the magnet off. Man, that had me worried for a little while. Anyway, let's back to magnet fishing. Let's not get the magnet stuck again. I think we're on the bottom. Man, it's a rocky bottom down there. I didn't think I would have a lot of success here. I actually wanted to be over on the dam, but yep, nothing. Man, this is a super rocky bottom. And I think I'm going to go over to the docks. I think I'm going to have more success over there. Before I go to the docks, I'm going to go check out this other place down here. It's actually a spot that I want to dive at, but I don't think there's going to be any magnets or any metal down there. But while I'm here, I can scope it out for the dive. So the pilings have just ended. We're coming up to this sharp turn right here. And I'm telling you, I've scoped this out on some lake depth maps. Car comes speeding down this road right here and go right off this. It goes straight down 60 feet. 60 feet down. I mean, come off here and there's nothing to stop you. You come down this way, you come over here and go straight out. There's nothing, there's nothing. And the slope of where this bank is at right here is the exact same slope underwater into 60 feet deep. All right, so I'm over here at the Schoolhouse Slough. I think this is Schoolhouse Slough. But yeah, we're gonna be down here on these docks down here. Yeah, gate's open, I can get in. There's no boats down there. Well, there's one boat, but I'm not gonna go around it. I didn't know people actually lived out here, dude. That's weird, man. That's weird. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get the magnet in the water and around these docks and see what I can find.
So I don't know if you can see that sign right there. Let me see if I can get closer. But it says boat owners only, no public fishing. Reserved parking area. Wet slip leases only. Well, I'm not fishing. And there's, well, I am fishing. I'm magnet fishing, but I don't even know if I'm gonna get a lot of stuff around here. Ooh, I felt something. It might be a rock. Let's go under the... Might have that private boat owner over there come over and tell me, hey, you can't do this here. Man, I just sprayed my glasses with water. Probably the camera too. I think I got something. I got a chair, guys. All right. Is there any more lawn furniture down there? Bunch of weeds and grass. Nothing, man. Let's walk out and throw it down to this. Oh, shoot. Not again. All right. So I'm gonna throw the magnet back in the bucket, then we're gonna go through this chair weight and then come back and get the magnet. Hey guys, we didn't catch much today, but you know, at least I got that chair out of the water. I mean, I can only figure that it was people drinking and somebody tried to lean back on the chair and went in, you know. Hopefully they got out, but the chair was about 10 feet down. The sun's going down and my GoPro battery is about 1%. So I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below what you think about this video. Man, I'm just trying to build up subscribers, man. And this video is only gonna get better if you tell me what you think of these videos. All right, later, guys. Hey, wasn't that pretty crazy? I found Aquaman's patio furniture
But at least I got it out of the water and put it in the trash where it belongs. Sorry, Aquaman. In this next video, I was metal detecting in a forest near where I live. It's supposed to be haunted, but I wasn't there for the ghosts. I was there for metal in the ground. Didn't get much, but you know what? Stay tuned to find out what's going on. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Chuck from the YouTube channel Chuck Does. Today I'm going to be out here over this forest right here, right behind me over here. We're going to be doing some metal detecting, all right? A little different than what I've done before, but you know, got to have fun with whatever. All right, if you know where I'm at, go ahead and leave a comment down below. All right, so as I'm now entering into this forest, just going to walk around, find a good place to start metal detecting. Today I'm using this Bounty Hunter metal detector. It's not the top of the line metal detector by any means, but you know, it's what I can afford at this point. I've got my shovel to dig up anything and a trash bag for any trash I find. Any finds will go into my pocket. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. The story about this place is back in the late 1800s, there was a fire out here, wiped everything out. And somebody decided to, I don't know if it was a company or government or whatever, but somewhere along the lines, it was decided to plant these trees 6 feet apart in every direction, forcing them to grow straight up instead of out. The plan was to use these as just had to hit somewhere. But the plan was to use these as fence posts as they'd grow straight and whatnot. Well, by the time the trees got tall enough to be cut down and used as fence posts, this place had already become a wildlife refuge, nationally protected. So now you have this forest out here that is received the name the parallel forest because all the trees are parallel out here. Because you can't cut them down and use them for fence posts. So some people say it's haunted. Let's see here. Looks like iron or zinc. Keep getting the hits, but then I lose them. Still some snow on the ground from the storm we got last week. You know, where I grew up at, you know, snow is nothing to me up there. But down here in southwest Oklahoma, it shuts everything down. I think we got maybe 6 inches over a period of like 3 days. Restaurants were closed.
Grocery stores were closed. The airport closed down. I'm telling you, man, people down here don't know how to handle the snow. I'm gonna dump this out just because I don't want to carry the extra weight of the water. Definitely not gonna drink it because I'm not sure if it is water. Okay, back at it. Something blue over here. Blue the color, not blue the wind. Man, it's hitting something. What's it reading as? Wow, camera's getting a nice shot of my crotch. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. This after they planted this forest back in the early 1900s, that it is still with over 100 years of no fires. Tornadoes haven't torn it up. Shut up, dude. I'm just trying to find a place to put. I think that's just the battery's finally dying. All right, just turn the metal detector off because I'm pretty sure my magnet's dying, or the metal detector's dying. All right, hey guys, so didn't find much out there today. Found more trash than anything. In fact, I think that's all I found was trash, which, man, come on guys, this is the only planet with beer on it. Let's keep it clean. Metal detector started going crazy, beeping on everything. I gotta dig in the manual, see if that's how it says the battery's dying. I don't know, but yeah, I got 2 plastic bottles. Let's see here, let's dig them out of the bag. So I'm not gonna dig them out, but yeah, I got 2 plastic bottles, a bag of chips bag thing, and this little wire. You know, that was just a service find. So that was just a service find. So, you know, at least I got those things out, you know, picked up, and I can dispose of them the way they're supposed to be disposed of. Obviously in the trash can. Tomorrow's trash day for me, so I'll just throw them in the trash when I get home. All right, y'all, I'm out to go find some more stuff. All right, remember, like, subscribe, comment, share, everything. All right, talk to y'all later. Yeah, so unfortunately in that video, the metal detector started throwing false signals, and I really quickly found out that that's what that metal detector does when the batteries start to die. So, you know, I did get some trash and whatnot, and put it in my trash at home where it belongs instead of just littered out in the forest. But those are the only 2 videos that I've got up, that I've got ready to record. I did do another one, but I had the settings on the camera set up incorrect, and I'm just not even gonna upload it. But hey, if you like what I saw here, or if you like what you saw here, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell in the upper corner so that you can get notified whenever I post another video. All right, peace out, y'all.